peace of mind is priceless. I don't care who you are. Oh, what's up, bro? What is your, what? Dude, I'm doing like 20 miles an hour. Chill the out, bro. We're neighbors. You need to calm down. It's Saturday. Look how beautiful it is. You're washing your car. Chill, dude. I've been here since 05. It's off, bro. God, dude. Karen ass. God, dude. Oh, you mother. Oh. Ooh. Ass. Come here. Come here. You spray me with that spray.
You gonna rev up?
I'm gonna your face. Here you go.
Let's call this off.
Do what you gotta do.
Do what I gotta do?
You sprayed me in the face with chemicals. He sprayed me in my eyes with that. I got it on camera. So take that punch and don't ever do that again.
This is water, dude.
That is chemicals. I smell it, dude. You sprayed me in my face. He sprayed me in my face. Listen, I would have never done that. I haven't pushed a guy in years. That dude sprayed me in my face with chemicals.
You're your neighbor.
Hey, bro. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, I just raged because he sprayed me in the face. It got in my eyes. My eye is burning right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm so sorry. If y'all want to call the police, do whatever you got to do. He sprayed me in the face with chemicals. You sprayed me in my face, dude. You asked for it. I was minding my business. You gonna do what? You doing what?
If you want me to call the cops, I'll be more than happy to call the cops, but you gotta stick around. If you're gonna run away, then go for it.
I'm going to do my thing. I'm going to shoot a video. You sprayed me in the face with chemicals. If you want to accept that, I'll accept the spray. They're going to take us both to jail, dude. Is that what you want? Have you been drinking?
No.
Me neither. Is that what you want, dude? Come on, we're blocking the alley.
Look. Let's do this. I don't want to be...
Don't swing on me, bro. Don't swing on me.
I'm not.
All right.
There?
Yeah, dude, I'm cool.
Okay.
All right.
Can you do me a favor?
What?
Keep it under 10.
Don't tell me how to ride, dude. I'm not going to listen to that.
The speed limit is 10 miles
Bro, I was doing 10. It seems fast because I'm loud.
You just said,
Bro, I stopped right here. Dude, don't start it over. Don't start it over. Shake on it like you wanted to. All right.